Today we are talking about what are the best sticks to play flamenco music. Standard sticks, brush sticks, brushes, what we do. My name is Pancho Brañas, welcome to my channel. Let us solve this mystery just now. Let's go! Well, if you see, with these different elements we can get a different sound of the drum set. Sticks, brass sticks or brushes. We need to think what is the best element to play flamenco music. But let me check a little the drum set with each one to listen what happened. If we play with the standard sticks, the sound is this. If we play with this type of stick, the sound is this. If we play with this, the brushes, this is the sound. To me, all of these elements are very good to play on the drums. I love the different sounds I'm listening now. But which of these is the really good element to play flamenco music and why? Well, if you see, when we use the traditional sticks, we can get the maximum of the sound of every element. You can take advantage at 100% the possible sound in each element, because the waves, when you hit every element, expand in all the body of the element, so you can get the best sound with traditional sticks. But at the same time, when you use, for example, the brass stick, you can get a different sound, beautiful too, but you cannot have 100% the sound, because it's not possible. You can get maybe 50% of the sound, or 70 maybe. And if you play with traditional brushes, it's completely different. You can get a sound that is between both of these and very, very different. Listen. But there is another possibility here that you cannot have with this one. Okay? But really, what is the best option for us? To me, the right answer is, when you are playing flamenco music, you need to play the more capable element to play that specific particular song you are going to play, record, or anything you are going to do in that moment. Sometimes in flamenco music you are going to use brushes because the song is very soft and you need to create this atmosphere that is so sweet, so quiet, you know, so you can play with brushes and it sounds very well, like this. But what is the real possibility? What is the reality? It's going to happen just sometimes. It's not very often. In a particular moment, in very specific moments, it's okay. But 90% you are not going to use this one. What happened with this stick? Same thing. Very good sometimes. In a very particular song you are recording or something, or a very specific show, or you need to play with this, and it's okay. But 90% or 80% of the time you are going to use these other sticks, traditional sticks. Why? It's very easy. Because to play flamenco, you need to control dynamics. It's so important to play flamenco. Control the dynamics. And what happens with dynamics? You need to play very hard sometimes, very forte, and sometimes, and suddenly, very piano or pianissimo or mezzo piano, suddenly. So you need to control the drum set properly, and you can get the real sound with the drums with this, with the sticks. So the best thing is for you is to learn flamenco in order to improve as a drummer with the stick. And after that, you are going to play flamenco very good. Of course, you can do many things with the sticks and control, for example, playing bulerías. Imagine you are playing in certain part of the song that is very, very forte, and you need to change to very, very piano, for example. So you need to have control on drums to play flamenco with the sticks. Of course, many people play with brushes because it's easy, but you are not going to have the right results you need to play flamenco. Or you can also play with this, but it's not the same. So my advice is 90% of the time you play with the sticks. If you want to improve yourself as a drummer, you need to control the drums in all the capacity of the dynamics, so you are going to be a better drummer learning flamenco for this reason. Now I'm going to put an example playing with a song. Okay, I hope you can solve this mystery and now it's clear for you. So thank you very much. If you like this video, please subscribe and ring the bell, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Había guardo yo.